In the aquatic biology lab, where the mysteries of marine ecosystems are unraveled, the Aqua Mix Mini Vortex Mixer by Xair takes center stage. Imagine a marine biologist meticulously preparing water samples for chemical analysis. With the Aqua Mix Mini Vortex Mixer, they achieve consistent and thorough mixing, a crucial step in understanding the health of our oceans. Its waterproof design and adjustable speed settings make it perfectly suited for aquatic environments. Xair, a leading manufacturer with a decade of experience in crafting laboratory equipment, is dedicated to providing high-quality tools for researchers. The Aqua Mix Mini Vortex Mixer is no exception, designed with the needs of aquatic biologists in mind, ensuring durability and performance in challenging conditions. For a limited time, Xair is offering a special promotion on the Aqua Mix Mini Vortex Mixer. Elevate your research capabilities. To learn more about how the Aqua Mix Mini Vortex Mixer can benefit your aquatic biology and marine science studies, you can contact me through my homepage email address to learn more about the product. Dive deeper into your research with Xair.